So this is a video about my old Goodman unit. Before I start up, I'll give you a bit of history on it. I purchased this in December of 2000, and I didn't really want to purchase it, but Goodman convinced me to. As you can see, it's a bit damaged already. We have a few rusted bolts, and some of the coils are bent in all positions. So, and oh yeah, and also there's a lot of debris down there. So hopefully I'll be able to get a new one soon. So here's the startup. If you couldn't already tell, this thing is loud. Yeah, it's very loud, as you can see. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me over this loudness. Right now I'll show you the furnace, which is much quieter. And another thing is the fact that the condenser sometimes vibrates when it's turned on. And here is our furnace. As you can see, it's American standard, so it's much higher quality, and also it's very quiet. This we purchased 2014 maybe. We've had about 1 or 2 years. Filter's broken a couple of times, but that's okay. We fixed it with some glue. But yeah. And then we have a lot of newer ductwork. Our old furnace was an oil fired, so we also had a tank over here where my workshop is. And then we also replaced the original metal duct with some of this flex stuff, which is so much higher quality than the old stuff. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.